Problem. This car always make problems. Don't buy this. Oh no! Mud inside. I think we have a water problem. Let's check the pump if there is water. But here is totally dry. But maybe there's water. Kontakt- und Tuner-Spray. Let's start. Oh no! Same problem! Bad running. Engine turn off. Infinitas. Oh. That could be the water problem. Also here. Let's check this area. Oh no! There is water inside. Here also wet. Let's check the ECU from the fuel system. Let's open. Oh no! Water in the ECU. Let's try. Put it back. Let's try.